Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. Wanted to make this video on options expirations date, and I want to kind of give you a quick breakdown on how that looks and what it means. Right now I'm just using the Thinkorswim platform. They're very similar looking. The options chains in each platform, they have some differences between the brokers, but they're pretty similar. But if you go up here to the trade tab over here, you'll see down over here, I have everything collapsed. You can open up, I can open them up and see all the different, strike prices and all the data inside of the strike prices. But you'll see right here when I have it collapsed, I just kind of want to bring your attention right to this area right here. You'll see the dates over here. So you'll see, as I'm making this video, September 4th, 2020, September 11th, 2020, September 18th, 2020. In the gray areas right here are monthly contracts. So monthly contracts are contracts that expire on the third Friday of each month. And then you also have weekly contracts over here, and these expire each week. So weekly contracts come out on Thursdays, and then they expire 8 days later on the following Friday. So again, there's so many different ways to trade options and different strategies, but typically for longer term or spreads, most traders will do probably the monthly contracts that expire 30 to 60 days out or longer, depending on what your strategy is. Weeklies, typically more for, let's say, short-term trading or earnings plays or getting a quick pop. So again, there's so many different strategies on trading options, but I just kind of want to bring your attention over here. You'll see the date up here of expiration. They always expire on a Friday. And then you'll see the number of days. If you highlight over here, it'll show you just the number of days left in the contract. So the number of days to expiration, which is this column right here. So you'll see these numbers right here are the numbers till expiration. And then you'll see up here, the yellows say weekly, and then the grays are just monthly contracts. And that's when you just expand open the options chain, and then you get all the data inside of here. Again, if you need more help with options, we have a couple free courses on our website at bullishbears.com. The link is below, so you can take our free courses. We explain options in all detail and everything as well, but I just want to kind of make this quick highlighted video on giving you a breakdown of understanding the options expiration date. So you'll see this is the date right here on the left where it expires. This is the number of days to expiration. The gray areas are monthly contracts, which expire on the third Friday of each month. And then you have weekly contracts over here that expire every Friday. So hopefully this video on options expiration dates help you, and we will see you in our community. Enjoy.